Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a subscription service with Patreon, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Patreon website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. Fill in the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, click on Create on Patreon. Choose Creators, then select the type of content you will offer. Select a category that best fits your work. Next, name your subscription service. Provide a brief description of what patrons can expect. Click on Create Page to proceed. Now, set up your membership tiers. Define how much you want to charge for each tier. Describe the benefits associated with each tier clearly. Consider including exclusive content, early access, or behind-the-scenes material. After setting up your tiers, move on to payment settings. Choose your currency and enter your payout information. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service. Once everything looks good, click on Launch Page. Verify your account by checking your email for a confirmation. After verification, your Patreon page will be live. Promote your subscription service on your social media platforms. Engage with your patrons directly through posts and messages. Regularly update your content to keep your patrons interested. Monitor analytics to understand what works best for your audience. Adjust your tiers and benefits as needed based on feedback. Continue to grow your community by interacting and providing value. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.